The next step will be what type of physiotherapy practice you want to do. Like according to American Physical Therapy Association, they have published these number of questions that will help you figure out what type of practice best suits you. So ask yourself, do you prefer to work alone or in a team? Do you like to have people around you regularly with whom you can discuss things? This indicates towards the partnership and towards the therapist you want them work under you. Do you have balanced set of talents, or are you prepared to hire people to cover your weaknesses? Maybe you are good in manual therapy, maybe you are good in other sets of things, maybe you don't know the management skills, so you can hire some other like receptionist, all your helpers in this. And which level of management you will focus on, you need to decide that. And you need to figure out all the design all of the practice, and ask yourself if you are confident enough to do it all on your own or not. The second thing that comes in our mind कि हमें पहले small clinic से startup करना चाहिए या big clinic हम initially start कर सकते हैं. So there are some segregatory points. It all depends on individual to individual, the skills, the much you have, how much pocket you allow, your pocket allows. So it depends on that. If we look out these points, small it's easy because आप अभी initiate कर रहे हो. उसमें आपको less funding require होगा, less funding and less resources, limited expenses. You'll not require to expend more on therapist. Might be you are capable of doing all on your own, so that will be a small setup for you. And if you fail in that, you will learn, and there will be not big thing to lose. Definitely there will be personal growth slower but financial growth faster, and everything will be in your control. And if we look after the large clinic, if we want to open large clinic initially, then it will take time. You need link ups and contacts, you need resources, uh, जहाँ से आपको patient refer होंगे. You need investors, might be you will be needing your partner and other resources. You'll be needing bigger place, bigger area, and bigger team inclusive of the therapist, the other staff. And definitely there will be personal growth faster because you'll be linking up more with other general practitioner, and might be possible there will be low financial profit initially. But when you'll be opening the large setup, that will be the long term investment, because there are some fixed pictures like infrastructure. So that will help in the long run. Definitely advantage of impression. आप अगर स्टार्टिंग में बड़ा क्लिनिक ओपन करते हैं तो आपका पेशेंट्स जो भी आएंगे एक अच्छे के सामने आएगा. Now comes the question, why partnership? If I can do alone or not, but if uh, there is the possibility I can get the partner, then how it can help. A partner can definitely fill the gaps, all your weaknesses, by investing and through experience and good network and valuable business skills. You can add up other multidisciplinary practice, other healthcare services, like you can get associated with other general practitioners like orthopedicians, neurologist, or gynecologist. That will add upon your patient referral source. Type of medical gym or physio gym in which your patients can work out or can do exercise after the rehabilitation process. They can follow up, they can come to you for follow up of the fitness training later on.